Hey guys, what's happening? Quick fix for expired Telegram codes. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, right? And then what you're gonna do, just type Telegram. Make sure that you updated the app to the latest version in order to get access to all the new features, and might possibly get you to fix that Telegram code expire. Next, what you're gonna do, go back to your screen and then go ahead to your browser, and then you're gonna just search for Telegram support. You're gonna go to the first link and describe your problem. Your problem is your Telegram code expired, and enter your full legal name in your email. Make sure that it is compatible with your Telegram credentials and the phone number, and hit submit. And you're gonna wait for the Telegram team to reach you out 24 to 48 hours, and they will follow along and help you out with your problem and address it. So basically that's it. That's another comment to this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.